guys, welcome back to USL English Academy. Hope you're having a great time. Today is grammar class and the topic for today's lesson is rules in simple present for the third person in singular. So let's get started. Before we get into the topic, I have to ask you, what do you remember about the simple present? That's right, we use the simple present to talk about repetition, a habit, or a fact, a generalization about something, ¿ok? Pero no lo ocupamos para hablar cosas que están pasando en el momento, solo hábitos, rutinas o hechos, ¿ok? Que siempre van a estar así. So, now that we have cleared this part, we're going to move on from the rules of the third person in simple present tense. So, do you remember the third person in singular? Yes, he, that we use it for boys, perfect. She, we use it for girls, okay. And it, we use it for things, perfect. Remember, it is in singular, okay? It's singular para cosas. She is in singular for girl, and he is in singular for boy. So, when we're talking about simple present tense, we have to be very, very careful when we want to use this pronouns, okay, or this subjects. Tenemos que ser cuidadosos cuando nosotros queremos hablar con estos o sobre estos sujetos. Why? Because we have to follow some rules. Tenemos que seguir reglas para poder tener o poder hacer un uso correcto de estos pronombres con los verbos. So if you follow these rules, you won't have a problem. We usually add an S at the end of the verb. Agregamos una S al final del verbo cuando utilizamos the third person singular. For example, work, works, swim, swims, eat, eats, read, reads, speak, speaks. For example, she works every day. Ella trabaja todos los días. He swims. Él nada. She eats chocolate. Okay? Ella come chocolate. Mauricio reads a book. Mauricio lee un libro. And Noemi speaks English. Noemi habla inglés. So this is the first rule, remember? Adding an S at the end of the verb. Let's see. We're going to some practice right now. So, the first exercise. Laura, the verb, to work. So how is the correct sentence? That's right. Laura drives to work. Okay, the second exercise. Raymond, verb, in the park. The correct sentence will be? That's right. Raymond jogs in the park. Outstanding. Then the third exercise. Edward, verb, pasta. What is the correct sentence? Perfect. Edward cooks pasta. Outstanding, guys. Okay, so we have to jump to the other rule. It says we change Y for IES. For example, fly. We have to be very, very careful, okay? You have to notice that we have an L here that is in color red, okay? That's a consonant. Llamamos las consonantes in English consonant, okay? So whenever you have a consonant before Y, you have to eliminate Y and add IES. Cada vez que tengamos una consonante antes de la letra Y, eliminamos Y y agregamos IES. So it's not fly, it's flies. Okay, what is the consonant in the spot? P. So what do? We eliminate Y and add IES. Spy, spies. Okay, in the last verb, cry, what is the consonant? Exactly, are. So what happened with the Y? We eliminate. Perfect. So it's not cry anymore, it's cries. Perfect, guys. So we're going to jump to the other rule. I know, guys, sometimes it's so difficult, but I know that you can do it because you are so smart. So verbs ending in O, SH, TCH, X, SS. We add ES. This is a pretty easy rule because you only have to look at the ending of the verb. For example, in this case we have go. Go ends with O, so you have to add ES. Goes. Perfect. With wash, exactly, we add ES. Wash, washes. Watch. Exactly, we add ES. Watches. Mix, we add ES. Mixes. Perfect. Kiss. Kisses. Outstanding, guys. It's practice time. So let's see if you remember the rules. The first exercise says, he, the verb, fix the car. What should we do with fix? Exactly, add ES. So it says, he fixes the car. Perfect. So the other exercise is, she, the verb, go to the supermarket. And this time, exactly, we only have to add ES again, and it says, she goes to the supermarket. Perfect. And the last exercise, Paul, the verb, teach English. Yes, Paul teaches English. Thank you for watching this video, guys. See you in another video. Bye bye. Take care.